Cooler months are on the way, so let's get your garden ready to face the chill. Don't toss those autumn leaves that are piling up. Use them as a light mulch around your plants to protect roots from frost and enrich the soil as they break down. And while you're at it, cover your compost with plastic or canvas to lock in moisture and to avoid a drenched compost heap in high rainfall areas. Now, with the drop in temperature, it's time to rethink your watering routine. Plants need less water now, so water deeply but less often. This prevents waterlogged roots while ensuring they get enough moisture to stay healthy. Keep an eye on your plants. If they start looking stressed, tweak your watering schedule accordingly. As the chill sets in, move frost-sensitive pot plants to a sheltered spot to keep them cozy. And don't forget to cover delicate plants with frost protection material to shield them from icy mornings. It's also the perfect time to plant winter-loving seedlings like pansies, violas, primulas, and ornamental cabbages. These hardy beauties will bring color to your garden through the colder months. Give them a boost with a balanced fertilizer to help them settle and grow strong. And if you're an adventurous gardener, you can sow the seeds of these winter-loving flowers like pansies, African daisies, poppies, mesembryanthemums, and calendulas. If you're thinking about relocating trees or shrubs, now's your chance. With the heat behind us, they'll have a better opportunity to establish themselves in a new spot. Don't get caught out in the cold. Head to your local GCA Garden Centre for everything you need to prepare your garden for winter. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one near you.